Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Jyoti Engineering College. I am Jinesh KJ, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechatronics. Today we will discuss unary operator overloading. In the previous video lecture, we have already covered operator overloading. So these topics are for EC312 object-oriented programming for S6 ECE students. In the previous video lecture, we have seen that there are two types of operator overloading, unary operator overloading and binary operator overloading. Both can be with member function and friend function, and we have seen the rules also. For a unary operator overloading with friend function has one argument, and unary operator overloading with the member function has no argument. The unary operators operate on a single operand, and following are the examples for unary operators: plus plus operator, increment operator, decrement operator, that is minus minus operator, unary minus and unary plus operator, then logical not operator. These are some examples for unary operators. Now let us check a simple program with the unary operator overloading. Here I am going to demonstrate a simple program for unary operator overloading. Before we going to apply unary operator overloading, let me demonstrate or let me show a simple program with the normal function. Then we will convert that function into unary operator overloading. So let us start hash include. This program is to convert a number into its negative form using namespace std . Now let us create a class distance. Let's declare a data member under private int feet and int inches. These two are the variables. We are going to convert its negative form using operator overloading. Now we can add one parameterized constructor. Since the name of class is distance, so parameterized constructor name is also same. This function is to initialize value during the object creation. Feet equal to f, inches equal to I. Now let us check. Now let us display these values using a function. Void display without any argument f equal to feet I equal to inches, then new line enter. Now we can add one function, simple functions to create convert these values into its negative form. So void name of function is negate. The aim of that function is to convert those values into a negative form. So feet equal to minus feet, then inches equal to minus inches. So our functions are over. So one parameterized constructor, one display function and negate function. Now we can check. Here I am not using any unary operator overloading or any operator overloading. This is just with simple function. So int main first let us create a object. So class name is distance d1. Here I am using parameterized constructor, so we can give value through this function. So 11 and 10 are the two parameters. So these parameters will transfer to this function, then feet and inches will get the values. Feet will be 11 and inches will be 10. Now let us check these values using display function. To call display, before that these functions should be public, because these functions are calling from main function. To call this function, object name, that is d1 dot function name. Now we can compile. Okay, now we can compile. So no error. So displaying 11 and 10 our value. Now let us apply the function neget, negate. So let us call neget and call display. So it will display the value first, then apply negation, then display its result. So 11 and 10, it will convert into minus 11 and minus 10. Now we can replace this negate function with a operator overloading function. So let us implement the syntax. Void negate will convert into void, then function name. Here function name should be operator. Operator is the keyword. Then one operator symbol minus. So to call this function, simply we can call minus of d1. So minus dot d1 will call d1 dot operator minus function. So this is one of the simple example for operator overloading.